Welcome back to Art Trippin lecture series. Now we will look at Leonardo da Vinci's Madonna of the Rocks. I'm Dr. Megan Lorraine Debin, and I'm an art historian, and this is Art Trippin lecture series. Hi, I'm Dr. Megan Lorraine Debin, and this is Art Trippin. So here we see another Madonna painting. That's the Virgin Mary with baby Jesus. They're also accompanied in this instance by the infant John the Baptist and an angel in this kind of rocky setting that gives this painting the unusual name. And when I teach this, I always make a joke that it sounds like a great cocktail. So if you come up with an idea for a cocktail, or it could be a mocktail, that you want to call Madonna on the Rocks, let me know in the comments how to make a Madonna on the Rocks. So how is this typical of early Italian Renaissance art? So Italian Renaissance art from the 1400s or Quattrocento. First of all, we see that typical triangular or pyramid-like composition, which again, always remember refers to the Trinity. We also see the use of chiaroscuro, strong contrast between light and dark, to shape and model these forms and create a sense of naturalism in the human form. We see a great deal of attention paid to depicting the muscles and the sort of chubby little baby bodies of the two children here. We also see Mary's hand reaching out in this foreshortening pose, this extended hand. So that's helping to create a sense of the hand receding back into space. We also see this kind of unusual and very dramatic landscape in the background. To me, this doesn't look like a sort of typical Italian landscape. It looks like we're on another planet here. And this is one of the things that I love about this painting. It's very unusual. It's got this almost, out of this world type of landscape of these really unusual rocks. The last thing I want to tell you about this painting is that when you go someday, when you go to the Louvre to see the Mona Lisa, which I know everyone wants to go see, as of 2025, when you walk in to the museum and you're looking for the Mona Lisa, you go to the right to see the Mona Lisa. If you just turn to your left, you will see this painting, a beautiful painting by Leonardo da Vinci that so many people walk by that I think is even better than the Mona Lisa. So someday when you're going to the Louvre, check it out. Now, it's 2025 and I've read some stories that they're going to be moving the Mona Lisa into her own room in the Louvre so that they can move the tourists who only come to see the Mona Lisa out of the way so that the other people that want to see the rest of the art in the Louvre can see it without the crowds. The Mona Lisa has earned her own place in history. This has been Art Trippin. We looked at early Italian Renaissance art with the work of Leonardo da Vinci. Now don't forget to give me your recipe for a Madonna on the Rocks. Chin chin.